Banish 223 from Banish Suppressors. Designed for smaller, centerfire calibers used by predator hunters and target shooters, the Magnum Plus rated Banish 223 will fit all rifles 224 and smaller, including rimfires. The reduced report will protect your hearing and keep from scaring other predators in the area. The user-serviceable Banish 223 easily disassembles for cleaning and maintenance with Can Clean technology. STifle baffles are designed in such a way that they can easily stack in any order, making reassembly a breeze. Constructed of 100% titanium and weighing a mere 9 ounces, this multi-caliber and user-serviceable design makes it the one that fits any gun.